So today we're gonna decorate the Christmas tree.
Yay!
We got a real one, which I personally have never had a real one, but this is Dan and Dahlia's house, so. But first, let's do some shopping. Okay, we're at the store, Big Lots, and we're gonna get some inflatables. Oh, we have to get that one. Dude, my hand's shaky. I should not be the one doing this. It's like I'm on crack. Look at this one's here. And we're gonna get some lights. Art said we were gonna go get one. And then we found this little kid scuba rock thing. Dahlia's gonna sit in it.
This is not comfortable.
Lean back. Lean back all the way.
They just go all the way.
I think so. Oh! My finger hurts. It's red. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go find a real cart.
So we got more ornaments. These are really cute. Tree skirt. This little ribbon looks pretty nice. Some garland that we're gonna put outside, and then a pickup truck, a little blow up one. So cute.
Okay, so we're back home now. Look at Jay. Cute. What? What? Shut up. Okay, so we're back home now, and there's a leaf. And we went to what? Big Lots?
Big Lots.
We went to Big Lots and Walmart, but we didn't really buy anything at Walmart. Pretty much all at Big Lots. So her theme is gold and silver and white, but she had a lot of gold and silver ornaments already, so we just kind of got some accent ornaments. So these cute little guys, just 3 in a pack. And then we got the last one of these little sparkly deer. Yeah. Oh, and we got this. We thought she would try something new. It's like fur stuff. Yeah. It's like fur stuff that you wrap around the tree. So that. And then we're also going to decorate outside. Forgot about that. We got some garland to go outside. She's got this like wood thing that we can set all this stuff on, but you'll see. But it has lights in it. Oh, that's not
Pre-lit.
Pre-lit. Oh, that's not what I mean either. Okay. And then we got a new tree skirt because the last one she had was covered in puppy poo because Mia had puppies last year. Oh my god, I'm covered in glitter.
No.
Oh my god. Oh, and then she got new stockings to go with the theme because her other ones didn't go with the theme. So these ones are for the dogs. So she got 2 of these for the dogs. And then she got, ew, did you fart? You reek. And then we got 2 of these for Dan and Dahlia. They're fuzzy. Oh, and they have, this I didn't notice until we left the store almost. We have these cute little tassels inside.
Yeah,
do you smell that? Dude, she must have stepped in poop or something.
Yeah, go away. You smell.
And then, okay, so for the outside lighting, we're doing like warm yellow lights. And then for the inside, we're going to do like bright LED ones.
He's dying.
They kind of look bluish, but not really. They're just really bright. And then she got this inflatable truck with a tree. Isn't it cute? Took us forever to find it.
It's so pretty.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping. And I brought me some corn for Papa. The lights are turned way down low. doesn't show signs of stop, and I brought me some corn for Papa. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm, warm, warm. Let it snow and snow. Let it snow. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow and snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow and snow.
Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells.
So we started decorating outside, and we got this good deal at Big Lots for this little inflatable Santa Claus truck, and it's just adorable. I'm loving it. So let's see if I... Here is the outside. It's just so adorable. We also put some snowflakes out. I also had these from last year. They're little candy canes. I got them at the dollar store. And then we have like this little snowflake thing that I also had from last year. Right now we are about to...
I'm looking for the tags.
So right now we are going to decorate this little wooden thing that one of my friends made. For Halloween, we put our pumpkins on there, and I decorated with like black garland, and it was really nice.
Stay tuned. We should set it up.
Right now we're about to do that next.
So that...
We just put a tablecloth underneath and some garland with some lights that was pre-lit. And then this is the little wagon that I was talking about. And then the little extra garland that we had, we just wrap it around it.
There you go. Now sit on her legs. And then put your legs, yup.
Yeah.
Now lean back. And then she's gonna let go of her arm.
Wait, I can't. Dolly's eyes are done. Your bless. Open. Wait, lean back. Wait, I have. Alright, put you in my armpits. How? I feel like her buttons.
Now lean back. Jenna, lean back more. You gotta straighten out your legs.
Dolly doesn't weigh. Back up. Back up. What are you doing? Okay, ready? Wait, I can't.
You sing, right? I'm not like.
Austin, tighten your legs.
You're just not strong enough.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Oh!
That's why.
And one and two.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Perfect.